Here at UCOOK, we're all about making home gourmet dining simpler for you. And now, your weekly meal planning can be done with just the click of a button. To get started, you'll need to visit our website to create your account. The best part? There are no upfront costs. Follow these 3 easy steps and you'll be ready to place your weekly meal kit order. You can also add any of our on-demand subscription-free offerings to your meal kit order, and we'll deliver everything you need straight to your door. Click the sign up button, enter your account details, verify your phone number, and you're all set. With a UCOOK account, you can easily manage all of your orders. You can pause or activate your meal kit subscription whenever it suits you, and you get to choose the delivery day of your flexible meal kit subscription. You can also browse our selection of subscription-free on-demand offerings that allow you to order whatever you're craving once off. There's everything from perfectly paired local wines, ready-made craft meals for when you don't feel like cooking, and even expert-approved baby food for your little ones. Are you ready to experience gourmet restaurant quality dining without leaving your home? Visit ucook.co.za today to get started.